What's up, guys? I had a lot of people tell me that they liked the cobra snake that I did. So I'm going to do another snake today, and this is going to be a rattlesnake. All right? So this is another easy one. I think you guys should be able to do it. So my paper is sideways, and what I'm going to do is I'm going to start at the bottom, and I'm going to draw two parallel lines. Parallel lines mean they run right next to each other. So there's one, and I'm going to leave a gap, okay? And I'm going to make another one that's parallel with it, right next to it. All right? I'm going to do another one, parallel, like that, okay? Now at the end of these lines, I'm going to connect them with like a bump. So I'm going to do a bump here and a bump here, okay? On this side, the same thing. Bump, bump. All right? Now, I want the snake's head to be coming out one way and a tail to be coming out another. The snake's going to look like he's wrapped up, like he's coiled up. So what I'm going to do is from this side, I'm going to have his tail coming up like this. So I'm going to draw a line like that. I'm going to have another line like that, and I'm going to stop because he's a rattlesnake. He needs a rattle on the end. So on the very end, I'm going to make some ovals. So I'm going to make 1, 2, 3, and notice how they're starting to get a little bit smaller with each one. See how they're getting smaller and smaller? Like that. Okay? Now on the other side, I want his head to be coming out. All right? So over on this way, I'm going to have his head coming out. So I'm going to start here. I'm going to curve it out. I'm going to stop. I need room for the head. Now I want this to start to be about as thick as these are. So I'm going to start here. I'm going to come up like that. Right? Now that we're here, I can make his head. So I'm going to come up, over, and down, and back in. And for his bottom, I'm going to come down, up, and back in. Like that. All right? Now for a snake's eye, I'm going to do a curve and another curve. I'm just going to put a line right in there, or a line or a dot. I'm going to put a little dot right here. And he has not just teeth, but fangs. So watch. Boom. Like that. And I'm going to make a little smaller one here and in here. Okay? Now, I want his tongue. So I need to be careful not to hit the teeth. But what I'm going to do is I'm going to do kind of a squiggly line that comes out. And then at the end, it's like the letter Y. And then it's going to come all the way back in to there. Now I want to put a design on my rattlesnake. So you could do whatever you want. I'm going to do a triangle design like this. And then when I come to here, down here, and I need it on the edge of the tail as well. Oh yeah, there is our rattlesnake. Now you guys can color him any color you want. And if you want to, you can even draw a line here and here and color the bottom like sand, because a lot of times you'll find the rattlesnake in the desert. Okay? All right, guys, I hope you like that one as much as the cobra. Have fun.